And so it begins. You all know of the trauma I experienced last night in discovering the ravaging of my tomato plants. They were bitten down pretty much to the core, and so I prepared my first defense, which, you know, against the varmints, which, as you can see, are tomato cages. And now it's time for more direct action against the culprits, which you can see over there. They have retreated from the war zone for the time being. But I'm going to try rapprochement. I'm going to approach them and see if I can talk some sense into them. You know, previous battles have utilized the talents of men like Hannibal, Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, Dwight Eisenhower. But in this case, I'm going to draw upon the vast skills of Sir William, aka Bill Murray. I'm going to seek out the leader and see if we can reach a compromise. So this is going to require courage. Let's see if they're willing to talk. The leader will greet me. As you can see, there was a tactic known as retreat toward the river, but their leader will stay behind and challenge me, and I hope to have a discussion that will keep them out of the garden. What do you say, fellas, ladies? Can we compromise on this? Man's got to eat tomatoes. Where are you going? You'll be back, I know it. Chickens. Oh, that's right, you're geese.